If SketchUp is crashing, lagging, or throwing random errors, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the most common SketchUp problems fast. We'll cover updating your graphics driver, removing problematic plugins, running SketchUp as an administrator, purging unused data, and resetting your settings so you can get back to modeling without the frustration. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's start with the most common cause of SketchUp errors: outdated graphics drivers. SketchUp depends heavily on your computer's graphics and OpenGL support, so if your driver is old or broken, you can run into glitches, freezes, missing textures, or startup issues. To fix that, go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, such as Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest driver for your system. After installing the update, restart your computer and open SketchUp again to see if the issue is gone. In many cases, this one step alone can make a huge difference. If SketchUp is still acting up, the next thing to check is your plugins. A bad or incompatible extension can cause crashes, slow performance, or error messages, especially if it was added recently. Open your plugins folder and look for the latest extensions you've installed. If needed, temporarily remove or move those plugin files out of the folder, then restart SketchUp and test it again. If the problem disappears, you've likely found the cause. You can then add the plugins back one by one to identify which one is creating the conflict. Now let's move on to permissions. Sometimes SketchUp may not have the proper access it needs, especially if it was installed recently, or if Windows security settings are blocking certain actions. To fix this, right-click the SketchUp icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the program elevated permissions and can solve issues related to saving, opening files, or launching correctly. If that helps, you may also want to reinstall SketchUp and make sure it's installed cleanly with the correct permissions from the start. Another helpful fix is to purge unused data from your model. Over time, SketchUp files can collect extra components, materials, layers, and other unused elements that slow things down and sometimes trigger bugs. To clean that up, go to Window, then Model Info, then Statistics, and click Purge Unused. This removes unnecessary content from the model and can improve performance right away. If your project feels sluggish or unstable, this is a great maintenance step to try. Finally, if your interface itself is acting weird or your toolbars and workspace seem broken, resetting your settings may solve the issue. Go to Window, then Preferences, then Workspaces, and select Reset Workspace. This restores the default layout and can fix problems caused by corrupted workspace settings or misplaced toolbars. It's a simple step, but it can help if SketchUp looks strange or tools aren't behaving the way they should. So to quickly recap, update your graphics driver, remove any problematic plugins, run SketchUp as administrator, purge unused data, and reset your workspace settings. One of these fixes usually solves the issue, and sometimes it only takes a few minutes to get SketchUp running smoothly again. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more SketchUp troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.